Welcome back to this Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we will guide school administrators through the process of recording and managing teachers' attendance within the system. Let's get started. To begin, the school administrator must first log in to the Fantaskool system. Once successfully logged in, you will arrive at the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the HRM drop-down menu and then select Staff Attendance. After selecting staff attendance, a new interface will open. The current date will be displayed at the top, and you will see the full list of staff members for that day. For each teacher, you can record attendance by selecting the appropriate status. By default, each teacher is marked as present, but this can be changed to late, absent excused, on leave. Next, you will enter the time in and time out for each teacher. There is also an optional remarks field where you can add any relevant notes if necessary. To save time, the system provides a Fill Default Times button. This feature allows the administrator to automatically populate the standard time in and time out for all teachers at once. At the top of the page, you will notice 3 additional features. Scan Sign-In Book. This option allows you to scan and upload the physical sign-in book for record keeping. Report. This section provides detailed statistics and attendance reports for each teacher. Working hours. Here, administrators can define and manage the official working hours of the school. By following these steps, school administrators can efficiently manage and monitor teacher attendance using the Fantaskool system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more guidance and updates, stay connected with Fantaskool.